Welcome back to MotoVision. The 2025 Jeep Recon EV represents a new era for Jeep, where rugged capability meets sustainable innovation. Designed for the eco-conscious off-roader, it combines electric power with Jeep's legendary off-road features, making it a one-of-a-kind adventure vehicle. Its exterior showcases the familiar Jeep DNA, the signature 7-slot grille, and a rugged, boxy design. However, the Recon EV's grille is now fully enclosed, highlighting the shift to an electric platform. This unique SUV doesn't sacrifice power for sustainability thanks to its electric motor setup. The Recon EV delivers instant torque, allowing it to tackle challenging terrains effortlessly, whether it's scaling rocks, navigating muddy paths, or conquering sandy trails. With a range of up to 350 miles, this EV is ready for long-distance adventures, reducing range anxiety often associated with electric vehicles. The Recon EV takes the open-air driving experience to a new level, similar to the Jeep Wrangler, but with modern twists. Its removable doors and one-touch sliding roof offer a sense of freedom that's rare in the electric vehicle market, allowing drivers to enjoy the outdoors in a way that few other EVs offer. Inside, Jeep has focused on blending practicality with high-end features. The cabin is fitted with durable, weather-resistant materials ideal for muddy adventures and a spacious layout that comfortably accommodates passengers and gear. At the center is Jeep's advanced Uconnect system, housed in a high-definition touchscreen, which provides real-time battery info, trail maps and navigation, enhancing the driver's control over both the vehicle and the environment. Jeep has also equipped the Recon EV with its select terrain traction management system and an all-wheel drive setup, ensuring that drivers maintain stability and control across various terrains. It's packed with tech and safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera for challenging routes. This model can even receive over-the-air updates, keeping it up to date with the latest improvements without needing a dealership visit. In short, the Jeep Recon EV makes a bold statement: you can go electric without compromising the rugged, adventure-ready capability Jeep is known for. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or just someone looking for a powerful, eco-friendly SUV, the Recon EV is a compelling option that blends classic Jeep toughness with a forward-thinking design for the next generation of drivers. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.